VSA chart for Bank Nifty. What we have here, like even yesterday, okay, see, I'm not saying that my system always works, but what I'm trying to say here is that it will give you sufficient time to get out of your positions with minimal loss. Now, let us look at an example from yesterday. Okay, day before yesterday we had a nice up move, then we had a strong opening. Fine, you are not running after the prices, you are waiting for a pullback. You got that pullback here, prices went a little bit higher. Now what I said, if you get a pullback to VWAP and you see value area forming higher, and obviously we are above VWAP, obviously this is above zero cumulative delta, then you get a pullback and you buy. Let's say you bought here, then what happens, prices just go up higher for a little while, but they come and they start struggling, and then you get a big down bar, and this is the area where I exit. Reason, it has spent some time below VWAP. Even if it recovers afterwards and I miss this trade, I'm okay, but I know that this kind of behavior is more likely. So if I have bought here, prices come and start accepting below VWAP, I will do a hard exit, no questions asked, no rationalizations, no convincing, no hoping for prices to turn back, just get out of the market. And then you just see, why is this big candle down and probably on a very high volume, because this is a equi volume or volume candles that I am plotting. So I know that the volume is high on this candle because its width is higher compared to other candles. So high volume down bar. Why is it happening? Because all the people who bought here, their stop losses are getting it, they are going out of the business once market starts trading below the IB low. This is where their stop losses are. Even if you bought, because things did set up for a long trade yesterday here, but the system will protect you. It will give you advance warning and ample time to reconsider your idea. And then again, another important warning was, let's say this was the time was 11:35. Okay, so now if you go to market profile chart, so we have 10:15, 11:15. So by 11:35, A, B, C, D and some part of E was already developed, and you had clear indication that there was a very poor high developing in B, C and D period, and that pointed to exhaustion. So if you are trading with market profile, this kind of development gives me ample warning to exit my trade right then and there. Forget even about prices going below VWAP. Now obviously it will take some time for you to read a market profile chart like that, but if you persist, you will get that kind of market reading ability. So if I was in a long yesterday and this kind of poor high was forming which was pointing to exhaustion, I know there is a possibility of inventory adjustment break. I would have exited my longs then and there, not even waiting for prices to go below VWAP. Hope you like this concept of 1 minute trader. If you find it useful, your friends might find it useful too. So share this video with them right now. And to get notified about my next video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon to turn on the notifications. I'll see you in the next one.